Today we talk about how can you save on your Cheat app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that to save videos on your Cheat app. So you just follow these ways that it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just come to this list. You will select here any video here you want to save on this list. So I'm going to click to this video here, so then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on save here. When you just click on it, so then here automatically it's going to save with you here on this list on your Cheat app. It's on your saved list, you will find it there. So that's all you have to do to save your videos on your Cheat app. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.